Welcome to Portia Grande, situated at city's prominent location, Baner. Luxury means minimalism, space and nature. My name is Raj Kevlani and I am from Vilas Javadekar Developers. So this is main entrance of the apartment. Main entrance of the apartment is done up in the fully veneer finish. We have video door phone, we have owner's entry and then we have a servant's entry. Safety is the utmost important aspect of the apartment, which VJ has been taken care of in all their projects. This is digital lock which we will be providing for all apartments. This is main entries. Right behind the main entry we have a space for shoe rooms. You can hang your coats while coming inside the apartment. And this is going to be your entrance plaza and entrance foyer, which is again giving you a feel of privacy with your apartment. The moment we enter in the house, we see this huge magnificent living lounge. So living lounge will have a formal sitting, will have an informal sitting. Right opposite to the sofa we have a plasma wall. The entire apartment is done up in the high grade Italian marble, which looks premium, elegant and luxury. So this is your sliding door. So sliding doors are all system windows heavy. It can easily handle the speed of 113 km per hour because this is high-rise tower. That's why we have given heavy windows, clear glass. Let's head towards the sky deck, which is closer to the living area. If you have any guests coming in, you can open this sky deck sliding door and your living will become huge. So this is sky deck, which we also call it as the outdoor living. It looks huge. You feel like you are in the cricket pitch. So it will also give you a feel of city stunning view, hillside on one side and river on the another side. This is LED invisible light which we will be providing for all glass railing. Elevation will look premium. Also the false ceiling will be fully done up in a wooden design, star lights. The false ceiling is fully done up in the slab, so you'll have utmost privacy. If you have your small get together, morning routine, yoga, exercise in the sky deck, nobody will be able to peep in your apartment. So sky deck will open towards the dining area. You can also have a small bar setup or small dining area in the sky deck. We will be also providing you the drains in the entire sky deck. Let's head towards the dining zone. The best part of this house, I feel, is the separation between the living and dining area, so that if owner they want to have a meal at odd times, any guest arrives, so they won't feel uncomfortable. You'll have your separate dining zone. At least 10 people can easily use this dining area. 10-seater dining can easily accommodate here. We have a separate space for wine chillers, for crockery unit and extra space for your artifacts. So opposite to the dining, we have a powder room, so it becomes easy to clean your hands. And this is also very good for the guests. So guests can easily use this powder room. They will not use your bedroom restroom. So all your restrooms are done up in floor to seal marble, high grade marble. And this is again going to be your LED mirrors. When you enter in the powder room or any of the restroom of Portia Grande, you feel like you have entered in the spa. So very nicely and elegantly done. So opposite to the dining, we have chef's kitchen. Let me take you to the chef's kitchen. So this is butler's pantry. Very nicely black color sparkle, dado and platform will be done in black color granite. We have 4-burner cooktop with Elica touch sensors, chimney, overhead counters we are providing you. This is also modular kitchen. We will be providing you with Hatic brand hinges. This is very nicely architect done space for double door refrigerator. You can easily place your huge full size double door refrigerator. And this is transparent door, clear glass door, wherein you can easily see the utility area. So this space, utility area, will be used mostly by the servants. This platform can be used for cutting, chopping. And from the main kitchen, it's easily visible because there's a transparent glass. And this is the additional sink which we are providing. You can wash your utensils here. You can keep your dishwasher, washing machine here. And next to the utility area, we have service area. Service area where is the area wherein you can keep your AC centralized outdoor unit. You can keep your central boiler. And we have exhaust, the chimney exhaust which flows to the service area will have exhaust here only. So very dedicated place for your maintenance purposes. Everything will be kept here. No AC outdoor should be kept in the sky deck. So which again looks a benefit when you own a luxury house. So this is staff quarter. So this is staff room which is very closer to the kitchen. It opens here. So we have used marble everywhere. So servants room will have an entry from the main lobby area, so that they will not be using your owner's entry. And servants room will also have a restroom. So this is also a very premium restroom. Even servant can also use their own personal toilets. They will not be using owner's toilet. So we have covered living lounge, dining lounge, chef's kitchen and powder room. Let me show you the main important area of the apartment, which is the heart of apartment. We call this as a mandir. So this is located at the center of the house, very nice, cozy corner of the house. You can do a worship area here. And if you feel like you want to do work from home space, you can easily do it here. VJ has this puja space in all their projects. You will get in Portia Grande also. So let's head towards bedroom number 1, which we call it the master bedroom number 1. We have given digital lock for safety purpose, because these apartments most of the time will be used by maids. So we have digital locks for owner's room. So most of the time you keep all your important stuff in the owner's bedroom. That's why we have digital locks. Flooring will be done in engineering wood for master suite, and master suite will have their own balcony. This is again fully slab covered balcony. Nobody will be able to peep from upside. So this is 2-side open balcony. The best feature of this apartment is the marble. We have used marble everywhere, whether it's living, dining, kitchen, servants or the balcony. We have used marble everywhere. And this is 2-side open, invisible LED lights, glass railing, which looks stunning from the main road elevation. And floor to seal glass, sliding glass windows. We have used 8.5 feet wide with safety feature of glass railing. So this is master suite and this is master's bath. So all your bath area will be fully done up in the floor to seal marble. And the best feature of washroom is you will get 24/7 hot water in all your taps in Portia Grande, which is again a luxury feature. So this is your water closet. In the water closet we have given rain shower, and there will be additional niches provided very nicely, wherein you can keep your soap, toiletries, perfumes, body showers. And this is Geberit flush tanks. All your bathroom windows will be done in a sliding mosquito mesh with provision of exhaust fans. All your bird seats are wall mounted so that it becomes easy to clean. We have drain channels in marble to be done very nicely, which looks premium. Bathrooms are very premium. You feel like you are in the spa. So we have covered bedroom number 1. Let's head towards bedroom number 2, which can be used as a kids room or guest room. So all your internal doors will be fully done up in laminated. These are all pre-hung heavy doors with automatic soft closes. These are state-of-the-art doors. So entire room will have marble flooring. So all your bed locations will be as per Vastu. It won't come in the north. Head will not come in the north, and opposite to the bed head we have TV position. Floor to seal, full height sliding windows we have provided with glass railing. And this is your restroom. All bedroom will have their personal restrooms, so there is no common restroom for beds basically. So this becomes your bathroom. So bath area, the best feature what I see here is your waterproof fall ceiling. We have provided waterproof seepage proof fall ceiling with LED mirrors. Your butt seats are wall mounted, floor to seal fully marble. And the best part of restroom is you will find different color palette in all 6 washrooms. So that looks so premium, that looks amazing. You get different color palettes, you will get different feel. So this is bedroom number 2. Let's head towards the main living area. While entering to the living area, if you see the magnificent and the huge walking zone, you feel like you are in the bungalow, you are in the villa. Because we have used marble everywhere. Everywhere in the apartment we have used marble. You will not see a single tile anywhere. Now the cooling part, we have provided HVAC centralized AC. Entire apartment you will not be able to see any indoor split AC. Everything is invisible in this pretty looking grills, AC grills. Apart from this, we have a provision for fans. Inside the fall ceiling we have a provision and hooks for fans. If you want to customize it later, you can do it easily. And we are also providing you premium light fittings with fall ceiling. Let's head towards the third room. Again, the doors are again state of art. It looks premium. All doors are again 45 mm thick, soundproof. And in all the doors we have provided rubber frames in the frame so that it becomes easy to close it. This is kids room. So kids room will have pretty bay window, and next to you will get a feel of hillside on the one side and garden on the another side. For safety purpose for the kids, we have provided safety grills as well. Again, the rooms are done up in the marble. This is kids washroom. Kids also will have their own personal washroom. Different color palette of the marble, floor to seal marble everywhere, rain showers. This is going to be your drain channels. Drain channels is very nicely done, but seats are wall mounted, LED mirrors. All restrooms will look premium. So this is bedroom number 3. So let's head towards the main bedroom, which is ensuite. This is owner's bedroom. We have provided digital lock for owner's bedroom. Now this is what I call a luxury. Look at the size, look at the feel of this owner's bedroom. Owners will have a feel of king. This is 12 feet wide, one of a kind window, wherein you will get a tons of sunlight inside the room and get a hillside views from this window. This is again 12 by 16, huge bed space. Bed will come here, and opposite the bed you'll have a plasma wall, and this becomes your bed. And this area is going to be your walk-in closet. You'll easily have his and hers wardrobe with a dressing space. Now I'll show you the ensuite bathroom. This is ensuite bathroom. Floor to seal marble, Armani grey, black, zebra design marble. Huge LED mirror. Then again a basin counter wherein you can keep your toiletries. Hot water tap provision in all the restrooms. 24/7 you will find a hot water. This is again a rainwater closet with rain shower. A niche to be provided in all restrooms, but seats are wall mounted. So this is ensuite bathroom. The best part of this Porsche Grande, what I feel is you will have 24/7 digi backup. You have centralized AC. You have hot water in all the taps, which is one of a kind, which is one of the best feature for this luxury house. What we saw right now, it's 2245 square feet of huge carpet space, and you'll feel the sky deck on the one side, and you will feel both the views. One is river view, another is hill view. Per floor we have only 2 residents, which again give you a feel of luxury. I hope you like the apartment. Apart from this, we have additional feature of customization. If you want to upgrade your luxury house with some additional fit outs, then we will be happy to help you in house to home. Thank you so much. My sales team will assist you if you want to inquire.